You give people a bag of drugs and you give them a single page of information. You're talking about just the reality for so many Americans.
We're assuming you're taking it as instructed, but there's no way to validate that. When you come in, how you been? I'm fine. You taking your medication? Yep. Next.
I think I'm on about 10 different medications, if not more. I do not want to die over medication.
And mentally, it's exhausting. Physically, it's exhausting. But I try to go through it, and I wonder to myself, how much longer can I do this?
You know, hospitals are dangerous places. 200,000 medical errors a year. How about if we can take care of you at home?
Because he'd rather go fire up the hot rod and, not worry about the meds he's taking. Then he pops a Snickers for lunch, and next thing you know, his eyes hurt and his feet hurt and he's swelling. He needs a HiDO device.
This is the culmination of many patients' feedback, patients' questionnaires.
My mind was blown that this was even an option and that we'd be able to bring it into our homes.
Trained their mother-in-law that has dementia, and she was taking her medications like pretty much 100% of the time on time.
So this has been a life-changing technology for that family.
That machine is fantastic. I wish I had it years ago.